The chicken pesto cone is probably one of my favorites here at Disney California Adventure. If you've never had it before, that's okay. We're gonna go get it right now.
1 hour later.
5765. Chicken pesto cone from Cozy Cone 3 over here at Disney California Adventure. This is probably one of my favorites here at Disney California Adventure. Chicken, tomato, pesto. This is an edible cone as well.
Oh my God!
Cheers.
Bruh.
This is an immediate 10 out of 10. I'm always happy when they bring this back. It's so good. I'm so happy. Get us over at Cozy Cone 3 over at Disney California Adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.